We have the time. Don't start. Don't be too quick. You want to win. You want to win. You want to win. No. Take your time. Organize. Romario, I'm talking.
Sorry.
Thank you. Organize yourself again and again. If this time doesn't work, again, try again. If they score the first goal, don't worry. Don't miss about. Don't worry. Just keep trying your best. Okay? After, no problem. You're going to do again. And then we can score as well. Don't worry if they score goal. Don't fall down at any provocation. Because they will provoke you, say wrong things to you, then you take temper. Don't fall in this. The key of the game is the attitude, discipline. Count 1 to 10 before you react. If the referee stop the ball, it can be the penalty. Just show the referee, sorry. Let him put the penalty down. Don't worry, because if you start arguing, that's not going to change anything. You say sorry, then if the captain go to the referee. It's not fair what you start doing now. You understand? It's the captain's job to go there and talk to him. You guys not go to the referee at all. Now, Bilal, first half, don't go too much up. Your role is stop on that line, not after that line. Yes? Exactly the same. Jordan, exactly the same. Don't go off this line. No. Olu, touch. Soon you see the ball around Yao and Bashir and Romario. Touch like this. Touch him. Make sure he's near you. Yeah. Then if the ball coming, you go up, you close, he's behind you. Tell him when you want him. Because if the ball here, you show him on the right, you want him to stay on the right here. Because if you show him that, then they may pass the ball on the right, then he need that ball.